Hello guys, welcome back on MeltFlex AI. This is a platform for interior designers as well as architects or homeowners or anybody who just wants to design his own space. Imagine the situation, you have a photo of your stairs in reconstruction and you want to actually see different variants on how it could look after the reconstruction. Yeah. So all you have to do, just take a photo of the stairs in reconstruction, upload it to meltflexai.com and see it right here. Right now we will just prompt redesign this in modern style. Yeah, so let's say like design stairs in modern style. Yeah, and let's say we want a few variants, so let's go with the bed generation. So let's see 3 of them. We want the quit and 1K quality. If you have client, for example, you can go for 4K and you can then sell them the visualization like this. It's just pretty easy. So all you have to do, just take a photo and in 20 seconds we'll actually see different styles of these stairs and how they actually could look after reconstruction, and then we can actually choose. So we went for the modern one, so let's go with the first one. This is the first variant. As you see, there is a glass right here, wooden stairs. Let's say with the second one, which is like more maybe, let's say contemporary. Yeah, let's go with the third one, and this is like just pure minimalism. Let's say, for example, we want to work with this image and we are not satisfied with the color of the stairs. They're like too dark. So let's say I don't like the stairs. Let's go with lighter wood. Yeah. Let's say again we want 2 bed generations, and let's see it right here. Also, another scenario might be you want to add, for example, some carpet. So you can actually just do that. We will try it in a couple of seconds and we'll add carpet to it. Yeah, and it's so super easy. Like you can actually then choose much better. Yeah, and here you see the first light version and here is the second light version. For example, if you have had some kind of a material, so let's go material wood. Let's say we want the stairs to be in some type of material. Yeah, so let's say, for example, I want them to be let's go with something different. Yeah, let's go with something which is like this. Yeah, some white wood. Let's go with something pretty much opposite to it, which was, for example, this with this darker generation. Yeah, and let's say redesign stairs in this material. Let's go with 2 variations. So right now the stairs will be in this wooden material, so it won't be in the dark wood as it was before. So if you have a wood, also if you have the railings, so for example, it might not be just glass railings, it might be something much more interesting. You can actually design the stairs based on that style of the railing, or you have already some stairs that you like, some photo of the stairs that you like, you can redesign it pretty easily. As you can see, here is the white wood. Yeah, this was the white wood that we recorded. So let's say like let's find some stairs, and let's say I like this kind of stairs. Yeah, all you have to do, just take a photo of the stairs that you like in the railing, and let's say redesign these stairs on this style. So you don't have to be like a homeowner, you can be interior designer and you want different variants for a client. You can easily do it like this. It doesn't take much effort. Just upload the reference photo and ask your client like to find some stairs that he actually likes, and then you can actually see it. So let's wait another 20 seconds and we will have it right away. By the way, platform is called meltflexai.com and first generation is for free, so you can actually try it out and we will pay for it. Here you can see the stairs. So it was with this kind of railing from down to the up, and yeah, the stone stairs. As you can see, this was the ones that we had as a reference photo. So you can see it matches the style. So this platform again is called meltflexai.com. 1 generation is for free. You can go to the upgrade plan and get 100 images for $29. So it's pretty good deal, and you can actually see and what you want to reconstruct, and it's much better because you won't end up with something you don't actually like in the end and you won't pay for it. So thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day.